Yes, sir.
2% yung cut ng NPA sa mga infra. Naging 3 na ba? Oh.
I confirm, sir, 2%. But in the
2%
recent
yan.
documents, sir,
So, sa lahat
3.5.
ng infra, walang under, lalo sa mga influence, kung walang 2% from the contractor. That's in addition to the 10% of the congressmen.
Agree, sir. At ang source, sir, I will reveal. Not Secretary Villar.
Some congressmen, by the way. I'd like to qualify.
Yeah, some congressmen. At ang source po ng information namin, Senate President, Mr. Chair, kung paano namin nalalaman ang mga project, saan ang location, magkano ang cost, sinong project nito, ang manager, DPWH. The information on the extortion, if there is one single biggest mafia style, highly organized, most prolific extortion machinery to come before the face of the earth, it's the CPP and PNDF. At hindi yan napipigilan ng ating government.
So, paano din it? Sorry, Mr. Senate President, curious